Hello everyone and welcome to today's class. Today we will learn is, am and are. Today we will learn is, am and are and how to use them in a sentence when we are writing and when we are speaking. Before we start today's class, let us read few sentences. Now let's read these sentences. Now you have to read after me, okay? I am a good girl. Say again. I am a good girl. This is my dog. This is my dog. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. It is a ball. It is a ball. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. We are friends. We are friends. Children, we use am with I. We use am with I when we are talking about ourselves. Like, I am a smart child. We use is with he, she and it. For example, he is my brother. Tom is smart. She is my sister. She is tall. We use is with it also. For example, it is a ball. It is in red color. We use are with we, you and they. For example, we are a happy family. You are sweet. They are my friends. Now remember children, when to use is, am, are. Let's revise, okay? We use am with I. We use is with he, she, it. We use are with you, we or they. We use are with they, we or you. All right, children? Now practice small and simple sentences using is, am, are in your rough notebook. There are few examples that I have written. Try to make sentences easy and simple with the help of your mama. Like I have written, I am a smart child. He is a tall boy. We are good friends. Now when you are making or framing these sentences in your rough notebook, make sure you underline these words am, is and are. And when you are writing and framing these sentences, be sure to write And after that, speak loudly. Read them loudly after you have made them. Alright, children? So till then, till we meet in the next class, have a nice and wonderful day. God bless you. Thank you.